Unfortunately, Landon is the type of human that if he watched it, he'd be like, I hated it, it was stupid, because he wouldn't get it.
No, I wouldn't watch it in the first place. Because I know for a fact you're correct there.
It's actually quite good.
Why are you drawing on your phone?
Because he feels like that's a fun idea. All right, what numbers do we do?
32, the first one.
I've said that like past 4 weeks.
We did what?
Wait, what, page 138?
Page 145 should be, right?
No, that was a second.
Oh, that's right. We finished rational functions and then yeah. I forgot about that. 32 to 42. Okay, so number 32, this is page 138, is 3 and 2. Number 34 is 1 and 8. Number 36 is 4. Number 38 is 4 and negative 5. Number 40 is 7 and 1. Before we move on to the next one, what questions do we have on that one?
34.
34.
34.
You got that one right, though.
34.
Please, sir, I want some more. 34 is x minus 1 over 2x minus 4 plus x plus 2 over 3x equals 1. Great. So, what should we do? By what?
By the greatest, least common denominator.
True. What is it?
It's 3x times 2x minus 4.
Yes. 3x times 2x minus 4. We will distribute it in a minute for like this one, but not yet, right? So when we do the first one, the 2x minus 4 cancels, leaving it with just 3x. So we've got 3x times x minus 1 plus this one, the 3x cancels, leaving us with 2x minus 4. So we have x plus 2 times 2x minus 4. This one we've got everything, right? We'll go ahead and distribute it out now since it's already set up for us, right? So we've got 3x times 2x, which is 6x squared. And 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. Great.
Yay.
Now what?
Now we distribute.
Do a bunch of distribution, right? This one and this one. If you want to do the shortcut on this one, you can. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. X times 2x is 2x squared. We can combine the outside and inside. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. And then 2x times 2x is 4x. So negative 4x plus 4x is 0x. So it cancels in the middle. 2 times negative 4 is negative 6. 8. All right, we're making any mistakes yet?
Yes, but you correct.
Yeah. All right, what now?
Combine like terms.
Combine like terms, sounds great. Sum right here and right here. So 3x squared plus 2x squared is 5x squared. X squared minus 3x minus 8 equals 6x squared minus 12x. What now? Yep, and I'm going to move everything that direction because we have a positive x squared, right? So subtract 5x squared plus 5x squared, minus 5x squared, and then plus 3x, and plus 8, plus 8. This one cancels, this one cancels, this one cancels.
X squared minus 9x plus 8.
Minus 9x plus 8 equals 0.
Factor.
We factor, if we're really lucky, which according to the key we are, x, 8, and 1, minus and minus. The signs work at the end because minus times minus is positive, so x equals 8 and 1. We double check the denominators, make sure they're happy. We put an 8 in here. 2 times 8, this is fine. This is not going to give us 0. This is fine. Put a 1 in here. 2 minus that is still not 0, so they both work. To what?
I may have done some math wrong.
Probably. That's probably why you asked about it.
You subtracted
I need to bring
6x
chopsticks up here so I don't have to keep eating with a fork and a spoon.
Shouldn't you subtract 6x? So what do you do, negative x squared?
I wanna know what he's eating. That's what I'm confused.
No, that's why I moved these this way
Okay,
instead.
okay.
Yeah. Because remember, when you factor, A's got to be positive. It has to be positive. It can be a number, but it has to be positive. Okay.
What's in the bowl?
Don't worry about it. None of your stinking business. It's math. It is for sure ramen. Why do we care? Like, quit asking dumb, obvious questions. Great.
I didn't see the noodles until I asked the question.
All right. What are the questions from this one?
This one was pretty simple.
That was very simple.
It was a very straightforward lesson.
All right.
I did have some questions.
It's just a lot of math.
2 through 26.
Okay.
Unless I did my math.
I forgot what they though.
Number 2
145?
is
Yes.
negative infinity to negative 1, not including. And 6 to infinity, also not including. Number 4, negative infinity to 5 halves, uninclusive. Is unity, 4 to infinity. 6, negative infinity to negative 2. And then 1/2 to 6, both inclusive. Unless otherwise stated, they are uninclusive. I will only state the inclusive ones from here on. Okay, so number 8 is negative 2/5 to 3, union, 6 to infinity. 10, no solution. 12, negative infinity to positive infinity. 14 is negative 3. 16 is negative infinity to positive infinity. 18 is negative 15 halves to negative 4. 20 is 6 to 25 halves, including the 25 halves. 22 is negative infinity to negative 2/5, unioned with negative 7 27ths to infinity. 24 is negative infinity to negative 1, unioned with negative 3/4 to 3, including the negative 3/4, unioned with 4 to infinity. 26 is negative 5 to negative 4, including the negative 5, union with negative 4 to negative 3/5, including the negative 3/5. Would we go through?
26?
Is that what we went to? Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Can we do 26? Sure.
Sure.
Can we do 14?
I did like all the steps, but then I just like stopped. I don't know what happened. Something happened bad.
On 14, because it like touched but never went through the line.
That's why it's negative 3,
Yeah, I know.
because that's where it touched.
I know. But it was just confusing.
Okay, but do we need to do it, or does that make sense? That's the explanation, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Number 26. Sure, why not?
And then like a 16, but after that I'm pretty good.
And then maybe like
7.
no. It wasn't that. In fact, I knew what you were saying.
All right. What now?
Multiply by x plus 4 squared.
Can you teach me how to factor? Not today, but I do have videos on it. If you look on my channel, in the Algebra 1 class, there's some videos on factoring, also in Algebra 2. Okay, what should we do?
Okay.
Multiply by x plus 4 squared.
X plus 4 squared sounds great.
That's what I was gonna say.
Yeah, because it's the
Yeah, but then you say it weird.
Well, you're smart too. No. What?
Okay, so we've got 12x plus 65 equals 5 times x squared plus 8x plus 16, right? What did I do?
You did the simple thing. You did the unfactoring.
I did square this, right? A squared plus 2AB plus B squared.
Indeed.
Wait.
What?
Where did the 8x come from?
Where are you lost at? It's 4 times x plus 4 times
Mira.
x is 8x. It's a
X plus 4 times x plus 4. You got to distribute the whole schmagoigle. You can't just, no. I'm like raised voice a little bit because I want to make sure you don't make this mistake. Because this is an easy mistake to make even if you know better. If you have a binomial squared, it is not just distributing the squared.
It's a squared.
That's only if it's a multiplication. That's an easy mistake to make. What should we do now? Yeah, distribute. Which is fancy schmancy multiplication. Yeah, that's true.
Malcolm said go home. No, I didn't.
12x plus 65 equals 5x squared plus 40x plus 32, 64, yeah, 80.
I just divide by 2 and then times 10. That makes sense.
That also works
10
fine.
times 8 makes sense.
That also works fine, yes. He left. He was sad that I couldn't teach him how to factor.
He probably went to look up factoring.
Maybe he did. Maybe he did. What should we do now?
Subtract 12x and 65.
Subtract 12x and 65. Sounds great.
65 and 80 and 40 are such
15.
large numbers. I did not say 15.
28.
So 5x squared
Plus 28x.
plus 28x
Plus
plus 15 equals 0. They're like so close to all being divisible by something that's the same. So depressing.
They're all divisible by 1.
Can we just make up
Or
a number?
4. I mean, like they're so close.
I want to just like make a 2x appear and then just like combine my terms.
Add 2x and then divide by 5. Well, at least there's only 2 possible.
Wait,
How do we have 2 5x's? Yeah.
Magic.
I was about to say.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking that in my head. I was like,
5 and 3, 15 and
5's on the right side and the 3's on the left side. And they're both additional.
Oh, yeah, 'cause 20.
5 plus 3 is 28.
Yep. So x equals negative 3/5 and 5. And then we have one more critical point, right? It's at negative 4.
Wait a minute. Yeah, because squaring 0 is still 0.
Yep. Yes. Because squaring the 0 is still 0. Square rooting, actually, but yes.
It's also negative 5. It's supposed to be negative.
Oh, yeah, it is.
it's also
Negative.
The negative.
All right, so we gotta check our signs and all the things. See whether it works.
negative 3/5. No, it would be.
So what are we actually looking for right now as we do this?
Does something here, or here work?
Like if it can exist?
If it comes out true,
Oh.
right?
I was good, but I didn't understand what we were actually finding.
Yeah, because if it works for one number in the region, then it'll work for all of them. Okay, so what's something less than 5 that we can try? Negative 6, which is going to be negative in the numerator. The denominator is always positive, right? Yeah.
But the negative and the positive turn out to be a negative.
If we solve it for 0, we can do a little bit easier thing. Yeah, well, I don't know, whatever. Okay, so negative something over what? Negative, what did you say, negative 6?
Yep.
So negative 72 plus 65 is negative 7
Over 100.
Yeah.
over 100.
Still negative and it's not greater than 5.
Yeah. So negative 4.5.
Yeah. We should do like negative 4.01.
Why? Negative 4.5. Negative 4.5 times 12.
Negative, give me a second. It's less than.
Is it going to be greater than 5?
Negative 54.
A negative number over a positive number, is it going to be greater than 5? No.
Wait, it's not.
We should have thought about that. Because 12 times.
Negative 1.
Oh yeah, you're right. It is going to be a positive number.
Wait, why is it positive?
Because because 4 times 12 is 48
Yeah.
plus the half. So what's 12 times negative 4.5?
11.
What?
No.
It's
Sorry,
like
I was doing 12 times
Yeah,
negative
it's
4.5.
negative
54. Yeah.
Negative 54 plus 65.
I was
Negative 54 plus 65.
11. That's 11. That's
11 over some big number,
11.
right? Some bigger number, right? It's gonna be less than 5.
It's 90.25.
Wait,
so yeah.
hold on.
Wouldn't it be
Wait, 11 over 9.
negative 4.5 plus 4 is
Is 0.5. Oh, you're right. It's gonna be a pretty big number.
why? It's
Pretty lit.
You tell me.
by 4. It's 11 divided by 4. Or sorry,
Why is it divided by 4? It's 4.
multiplied by 4.
Because it's 0.5 squared, which is a fourth, times 11.
That's 44. It's 44.
Shouldn't it be positive?
It's gonna be positive, that's true, which is part of the problem. It's always gonna be positive, yeah?
11,
So this is gonna be a bigger number, right? Than
11 divided by 0.25, which
Yep.
is 44.
which is 44, which is bigger than 5.
That works. Why are you making stuff? I can't read.
So negative 1.
That's 12 times negative 1. Negative 12 plus 65 is a big number over 1 plus 4 squared.
12 plus 65 is not a big number. Negative 12 plus 65. Negative 12.
Never mind.
So 53 over
25.
9.
25.
What? Negative 1 plus 4 is, oh.
9.
9.
Is that bigger than 5?
Yes. Yeah, it's almost early. It's divided by 10.
It's almost 6.
Put a 0 in. So if we put a 0 in, we've got 65 over 16. Is that greater than 5?
Maybe.
I'm not sure.
65. It's less than 5. It's 4.6. 4.06.
4.6.
No. You know what, Landon? Why are you being like this? I don't know.
I've been cleaning all day, so I'm a little bit.
Cleaning?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, this is I wrote the wrong answer on the board, right?
Oh, yes. Right, because it's not including 4. You can't include negative.
Can't include negative 4, right? So we got to go to negative 4, and then negative 4 to negative 3 fifths.
Because there's a hole.
A whole lot of math.
Yeah, we should do 6.
Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho, ho.
We should do 16.
Agreed.
Oh, it's the same thing. Teach me how to factor. Not today.
Is that the same guy?
No, it's just still there.
I was like, someone else need to know how to factor? I guess you should just do that.
No, this is your class.
I can teach how to factor.
That'll be Landon's homework.
But can you teach them how to Dougie? All right, number 16, you say.
Show a song.
I know.
But did the dance exist before the song? I honestly don't know.
Probably. Otherwise, why would they be teaching them how to do it?
It seems plausible, but it could also just be they invented it in the thing. I don't know.
Same time?
Yeah.
That's my guess.
One didn't cause the other. They both just happened. What are you doing?
What are we doing?
16. You said 16. That's 16. It's right there.
He was talking to me.
Oh.
On his phone.
All right, what should we do?
We should move. Wow.
Move.
Yeah, just move everything to one side.
Move everything to one side. Sounds grand.
So add d
Add
squared,
d squared.
subtract 16d.
Subtract 16d.
4d squared
4d
plus
squared
minus 16d.
Minus 16.
That seems reasonable. What do y'all think?
Yeah.
What did I do wrong?
Yes.
Because we can factor out. What did I do wrong?
And then we can factor.
Uh-huh.
I got them both to -2. Except when I was solving it, neither of them worked.
And then it's like.
What do you mean neither of them worked?
I had X's on both sides.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So 2 is our one and only critical point. All right. So, if we plug a 0 in there, we have a positive. Is positive greater than 0?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Wait, is there such thing as positive 0?
No.
No.
It's just 0.
0 is just 0.
If we plug a 3 in there, we have a positive times a positive, which is a positive. Is that greater than 0?
Yes. Where did I come on that?
I don't know.
So it's negative from. That one actually seems very easy.
I just did everything.
It's everything.
Non-inclusive. Wait, where's 16? I think I'm gonna be.
Shouldn't it? Oh wait, no, because it's a
On
Right.
page 145. I know what page it's on. I was looking for it on the page.
It's like right there.
What other questions from this lesson do we have?
Oh, okay.
To reiterate, you should know this already, but we have a test on Thursday.
Yep. Wait, does that mean that we get to talk about other stuff now? Like, not other stuff, like.
We can if you want to.
I do. I always do.
Where's the study guide?
It's like a half review day.
Polynomial function.
2, 1. No, that's easy.
Well, we
2, 2.
That's pretty easy.
Oh, I remember how to do 2-1.
Wait.
2, 3.
That is 2-1.
That's just what we did the whole time, basically.
2, 2.
Polynomial functions.
Understand that.
2, 3 was annoying.
We can do it.
Maybe 2, 3 a little bit.
Well, I remember how to do that. It was just annoying though. Do I
Uh,
remember how to do that? Yes.
The only issue is like I barely ever learned long division at all.
we do 21.
They never taught
From
me
the
that.
study guide? Sure.
And then maybe
Describe
like,
the end behavior.
and then we can do a 33 as well.
I don't know the leading term.
Sure.
is anymore.
21 from the study guide.
Whoa.
We're good. Oh.
Never seen this
What
before.
happened?
I don't know. I've never turned to this page before.
That page is weird.
What page?
This page has like weird
Oh wait, these are
highlighting strips or something.
What? This is my book. What?
Practice test is nice and colorful.
Why is it? It's highlighted.
I know. That's what we've been
Except
talking about for the past 5 minutes.
highlighted it.
Except they're little sticky strips.
Yeah.
Somebody sticky stripped it.
They sticky stripped your
That's not
push
bad.
on.
It's not bad.
It's a rental. Who cares?
It's a rental.
Zeros.
Driving a Lambo around. It's a rental.
All right, we are expected to describe the end behavior of the graph of each polynomial function using limits. Explain your reasoning using the leading term test. Great. What is that?
Okay, so we have a degree of 4.
We have a degree of 4.
Yes.
So it's
Also, what else?
A thing of 6. I forgot. A thing of negative 6. I forgot.
Constant.
Negative. Constant, yes.
We do have a constant of negative 6. That doesn't have anything to do with what we're checking on this problem, but
we have 3, what's it called?
that's true. It's also not what we're doing here.
Oh, it's not.
Leading term test. This is negative. Even degree.
We have 4
Oh,
changes
so that
in
means it's
sign.
gonna be
So it's negative with even degree. So what is it going to look like?
Parabola facing downwards.
Well, not parabola, but
The parabola type shape.
yeah. So what is the end behavior? The limit as
negative.
x approaches negative infinity is what?
Negative infinity.
Negative.
Of f of x is negative infinity.
Don't want me to write out. Everything else.
The limit as x approaches positive infinity of f of x is negative infinity. We did it.
Yay! That's the whole problem?
That's the whole problem.
Oh, wow.
Wait, what's the?
I was just doing a
Let's
reminder
again.
to
Are we
make
just
sure.
do that again? Oh, we just did that. Oh, okay.
Okay. We should do something from.
I took like the best notes ever on that lesson. It was wild. I took 6
Yeah.
pages of notes.
Okay, I don't know about that much. But
33.
33, sure.
There it is.
33. Oh, we're gonna do long division.
And
Long division's
not
not
synthetic.
hard. It's just annoying.
I feel like this was forever ago.
It was. It was like 3 weeks.
We've only done like 5 units since then, but they all have been pretty annoying.
It was like at least.
What were we saying the next one is?
33.
2x to the 5th plus 5.
I feel like we should do 48 next.
Minus. I'm not mad about doing 48.
5x.
Minus 18. He sounded weird whenever he said extra there.
X.
I know how it makes sense.
Okay, so 2x goes into 2x to the 5th how many times?
4x times. Or x to the 4th time.
X to the 4th times. Distribute 2x to the 5th. They match. We didn't do anything wrong yet. Minus x to the 4th.
And then it's minus.
Then we subtract, right?
0. And then it's 6.
6x to the 4th. 2x goes into 6x to the 4th how many times?
3x to the 3rd times cubed.
3x cubed times. 3x cubed times 2x is 6x to the 4th. This times this is negative 1. Nope. 3x cubed. Subtract.
Don't we
Kill them all on the left side.
can kill all the left, you know. And then we get
Negative 2.
2x cubed.
2x goes into negative 2x cubed.
Negative x squared times.
Negative x squared times. Distribute. We get this again. 2x cubed. This is plus x squared minus plus. Subtract. Got to bring this down, right? Oh no, 0. It disappears. 2x goes into 0 times. We want to write it as 0x for now, just to keep our brain locked in.
So now we just move on to negative 18x. The 0 and 0 is 0.
2x goes into negative 18x how many times?
Negative 9x.
Negative 9 times. Distribute. Negative 9 times 2x is negative 18x. Negative 9 times negative 1 is plus 9.
Oh man, we need a 1.
This minus, no, 1. Now what?
Now we add plus 1 over 2x minus 1.
Yes.
Why did it have to be 1? It couldn't have just been 0.
What a bunch of idiots.
Easy peasy, right?
Pretty easy. Just take this. Okay.
Now
I just realized something
48.
that's helpful.
What?
That the negative
Now
in
what?
front just goes to the end.
That is not helpful.
What are you saying?
The negative 1 and the 2x minus 1. It just like disappears, sort of.
It doesn't disappear. It divides.
How does it disappear?
Oh, that's how we kept getting weird signs. I kept wondering why we were getting weird signs. I was like, I must be doing that.
Remember, you subtract. When you do the distribution, then you change both the signs, which is subtraction.
We should do 48 now.
48.
48. It's about complex zeros.
All right.
I was gonna say 47 first, but okay, we can do 47. 47 and then 48.
Okay.
Which problem? Did we just go over that?
No, this specific one.
Oh, no. Don't even.
47.
You know what problem we should do? I'm gonna come up to it. Okay, move your arm. That one right there.
I go, we just did that last
That's not 47.
This is 47.
Yes, it is. What am I looking at?
I don't know what you're looking at. What the heck? Heck the what? Okay, solve. That's what it says. So what should we do?
Add
Move
something.
sides.
Wait, it says use the given zeros. Find all complex zeros.
No,
Where?
it says solve each.
It says solve each equation.
What number is this?
47.
Oh yeah, you're right. I was thinking of 48.
Now we should like move it to the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, move it to the side.
So we end up with 2x to the fourth minus 11x cubed plus 4x squared plus 44x minus 48 equals 0. All right, now what?
Now there's no
Now
options.
we find all the possible real zeros.
Yeah.
How do we do that again? We use the.
I was good at this, but I don't remember how I did it.
Yeah.
You divide over the divide.
So, yeah, it's the factors of 48 over the factors of 2.
Oh, okay.
So the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 4, is 6, let's see.
Yes, it is.
6, yeah, because 12, and 8, and 12, and 16, 32, yep, 16,
Wait, shouldn't 3 be there?
Yes, 3.
4 plus, yes, it is, because 4 plus 8 is 12, which is divisible by 3, yes.
Shouldn't.
What else?
No, it shouldn't.
24.
Yes,
24.
24, and then 48. And then 1 and 2.
And then depending on the way we do this,
Now, we don't necessarily have to list all of them.
we can
We
just.
don't have to list 1, 1/2, 2.
We should get our synthetic division thing ready.
We should.
Our cardboard boxes, Landon calls it.
Yes.
We can figure out the possible real zeros, positives, negatives, all that stuff, would narrow our list down even better, right?
Yeah.
So for positive real zeros, how many changes are there?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
So there's either 3 or 1 positive real one, and the negative real ones is 2x to the fourth plus 11x cubed plus 4x squared minus 44x minus 48.
Oh, wait, no.
1, 1.
Oh, no, that one doesn't change because it's 0.
And I'm going to scratch this out so I don't forget and accidentally use it later, right? So there's definitely a negative one. That's nice, right?
Yeah.
So there could be 3 and 1 and 0 imaginary. There could be 1 and 1 and 2 imaginary, right? Those are our possibilities. Okay, what do we want to try?
We should try.
A negative one, right? We know we got a negative one. Negative what?
2. Yes. 2.
4.
He put it into his table.
That's fine. What, you want to try 2? Let's try 2.
He's cheating. He's cheating.
No.
I'm being resourceful, Malcolm.
We're not going that resource.
So 2 into,
That is.
And negative 2 as well.
sure, negative 2, why not? 2, negative 11, 4, 44, negative 48. Bring down the 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 15, positive 30, positive 34, negative 58, negative 14, which is positive 48. So it does work. Yay.
Wait, it's 68, not 58. Did I say it wrong? I didn't mean to say 68.
Oh yeah, it would be 68, which would be 24, which actually works, right?
Yeah.
Well, what are we
How did you?
what are we saying here?
did we get there then?
Kind of hard, but fun at the same time. What grade are you in, Piano House?
We saw Piano House in the last video.
Last video? Definitely in the last class. He's been here all morning just about. Okay, so
We should do 2.
2. Well, we can use the depreciated one, right?
Yeah.
I wonder if 2's gonna work.
Let's find out. 2, negative 15.
Definitely 1 here.
34, negative 24. We're down to x cubed here, right? And I note that because once we get down to x squared, we can just factor to find the rest or complete the square or something, right? So that we don't just keep fighting in the dark. Bring down the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Negative 11, negative 44, negative 10. No, 40. Negative, what is happening?
22.
Negative 22. That's what I said. 12, 24, 0.
Wow, Landon is so smart.
I know, right?
Guess those.
I
That's
would
great.
say 4 now.
So now we've got, well, I wouldn't say anything like that. I would just go 2x squared minus 11 plus 12 equals 0, and then factor that schmagoigle, right? Easy money.
2x, x,
2x and x.
12 and 1. Wait, no, not 12 and 1.
Well, you just said it's 4, so this one is going to have a 4 in it, if you're right.
And 1.5.
4 and 3. And then what would it be? It'd be minus and plus, all right? We're supposed to find, what are we doing? What are we even doing right now? What is that question asking for? Asking for the zeros, right? So we got it. 3.
4 doesn't, what? Hold on.
What do you mean 4 doesn't work?
3, negative 8 plus 3. Negative 3.
Yeah, that factoring over there
Is
is
it
not
a
working.
y
It
value?
would be negative 3.
Oh, they're both minus, aren't they?
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
Positive 3
Yeah.
is at a y value of negative 15.
Yeah, so we list our zeros, good to go. Positive 3 halves, plus or minus 2, and 4. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. What time is it? No notifications, thank you. What time is it? What should we do now? What other questions do you have? We got a little bit more time.
48. 48. We didn't want to say 48, so we're saying 48.
Use the given 0 to find all the complex zeros of each function. Then write the linear factorization. Great.
All I did is put in some random numbers. Hey,
That's not as expensive as this.
you still don't want to lose it. I know you don't.
All right.
Like 8 others in my bag right now. No, that's more expensive.
So,
Wait, it's got some.
48.
That's 150.
F of x equals x to the 4th plus x cubed minus 41x squared plus x minus 42. And we are given that it has a factor of I. Great. What should we do now?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
If that's a factor, if that's a 0, I mean, what does that tell us?
Tells us that x plus or minus, there's an x plus or minus I.
X plus or minus I are factors, that's true.
Yeah.
What else does that tell us?
There's 4. We could use synthetic division and get to 0. There's
We
4
probably could.
It's odd. And it's odd.
That's even. 4 is even.
I was thinking 1x and 40.
1 is odd, but the degree is even. Bring down a 1. 1 times I is I. What? What are you saying?
We should put a 1 after.
Yeah, it's fine. Y'all are like way in a different place than we are.
No.
What should I do now?
Is that right?
Sometime this century.
That's not right. That's still not right.
You put the 1 higher on the floor.
That's still a 2. There we go.
We should, we get,
One
one
plus
eye.
One
One
just I.
plus
One
I.
Wait, I squared.
Why would it be?
What are you talking? I squared plus I.
Oh, in a minute, like when you're distributing.
Yes. 1 plus I is 1 plus I.
Yeah.
And then multiply that by I. 1 plus I squared. It's I squared.
no, it's just
1
1
I
eye
plus.
It's I squared.
Now it's 1 eye plus I squared or minus.
I minus 1.
So 1 eye.
So it's, no, it's negative 1 plus I, if you're right.
Fine.
There you go. You just have to be annoying.
Yes, I do.
Negative 42.
Plus I.
Plus
And now we get
Negative 42 I.
Negative
minus
1.
minus.
Negative 42.
I minus 1.
What am I writing?
It's negative 1 minus 42i.
Yes. Negative 1. No, one's more correct than the other.
You're
Negative
not
it's not negative.
So it's one. So it is positive 42 minus I, right?
okay.
Because negative I minus 42 I squared. So positive 42.
How did we get that? Because we have 1.
Wait.
Where the other.
I'm multiplying I times this.
Should we add first?
We should add first and
Yeah.
then get.
Oh, just right. You're right. If we add first, we just have negative 42I.
And then
And
multiply times I, then
which
becomes
is
42, and it's a
42.
factor.
And that's.
You don't sound so weird about it.
What do you mean? You're the one who said.
Okay, that's great. What does that do?
We get those.
It gives us a simplified form.
We should do it again.
Yeah,
with
sort of.
negative I.
We should do it again with negative. I agree.
Or.
I actually don't know what we should do.
I agree. Message deleted.
Why was there a deleted message?
They probably said something that we already figured out. But I don't know. 1 and 1 and negative 42 and 1. No, 1.
Can we not do it with the bottom equation?
Oh, yeah, we could. We could. That's fine.
Want to?
Probably.
Yes, actually, yes, I do want to. Because it's a little bit simpler.
So with the imaginary zeros, they don't actually pop up on the graph.
They don't.
So yeah, it doesn't cross the axis there. Yeah. There's a turning point there, but well, there could be, actually, is more like the truth. Bring down 1. We've got negative I.
1.
And then we've got 1.
Negative.
1 times negative, we've got negative I.
Negative 42.
Negative 42. Surprise, surprise. And then
Negative
positive
42i.
42I, which is 0.
Oh, see, that was so much easier.
So now we've got x squared plus x minus 42 equals 0, right?
Okie doke.
Now what?
Now it's back to
Factor it.
Factor.
Correct.
Factor it if you're lucky.
X,
And
X.
it's 6 and 7, and 6 is negative.
X plus.
X and 6, 7.
You can stop. You can stop.
Minus and plus.
I said that, he goes,
So, what's it? It asks for the zeros and then it writes the linear factorization, right? That sound accurate?
Like zeros of a function and equal as your factorization.
Great. So what are the zeros? 6 and negative 7 and
Positive.
plus or minus I, right? So what would the linear factorization be?
What is that again?
Del 1
Oh. Plus I and then minus I. Oh, yeah. It's plus, yeah. I wrote that on my page and I just didn't think of.
Easy peasy.
He wrote that on his page.
I wrote that on my page.
All right, go home and study.
Okey doke.
Okey doke.
We know you won't.
As is normal, if you want the answers to the practice test, it's a message away.
On what? Discord.
Yes. Just don't send it through Google Classroom because I won't see it. That's the one bad choice.
What about over email?
Email, text, Discord,
Literally anything except Google Classroom
pretty much.
and something that you do not have.
Right.
I sent some
Like Skype.
today.
I technically have Skype, but I